Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I thought I'll do a little video here on this toaster coffee maker that we have actually never used before. So it comes with a little, I don't know what they call it, filter, but it's a reusable one, and you just put your coffee in there and then put your cup underneath. I guess I have to put some water in here. I haven't really figured that out yet. But alright, so we got it going. Just put some water in here and turned it on. And there it is. I'm gonna wait for this one to get done. Pop in some toast or some waffles and make another one. Push it aside, and then you can take the little cup out. Right here it is, and then clean it. And I will do that in a minute to make a second cup. So this looks pretty damn good to me. Yeah, looks like a good cup of coffee. So we'll make another one. Thanks for tuning in, guys. This is whatever it's called. Let me see here. Elite Cuisine. Okay, so that's it for our little coffee maker. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Coastside Family Adventures with a product review on this little coffee maker. Bye.